We can quickly construct a line graph. Let's select our data from the sector up to the last year. Let's avoid including the totals. We go to the Insert tab, click on the chart group, expand, go to all charts, line, can have a line graph, we press OK. We have our data. We need years on the horizontal axis. Let's come and click anywhere in the chart, right click, select data. How do we bring the years to the horizontal axis? Let's go to the legend. First of all, let's first switch, and we have our sectors to the legend entries, and then we can construct the horizontal axis. So let's click switch row column. And then once we have been able to do that, then we come and edit on horizontal axis. Now the axis label range is from 2019 to 2022, and we press OK, OK, OK. Now let's quickly remove the legend from the bottom and send it to the right, format legend, and we send it to the right. After doing that, we can do some expansion of our chart. And then we shall come and remove the grid lines, highlight them, delete, and then we can do whatever we want to do. We can bold the axis. We can come and put a title on the vertical axis, and we call it production or GDP in US dollar million. Enter. Can have it bolded. We can remove the chart title, and then we can give a background to our chart area by clicking on the chart options and going to our fill and putting a solid fill. And that is precisely how we can construct a line graph. We can quickly see how to format our lines by putting markers, by changing the compound type and the width of the line. So when we click on any of our lines of our choice, for example, community, social, and other services, we highlight it and we go to fill and color. And then first of all, we can put a marker options. We can put inbuilt, we can put a cross or a star. You can see we now have markers. Let's change from that to maybe a triangle, and then we can increase its size, and then we can close the markers and we go to the line and we put a solid line instead of automatic. We put the color of choice. We can put a thick blue color, and then we can increase the width of the line. We can put it as a dash rather than as a full block line, and we can change any of the others. We can have that, instead of having it as blue, we can have it as deep red, and then we can even have it as a double line, and we can also have it as a dash. So basically we can have changes to any of the lines that we shall have constructed.